This is the Witch Doctor's head shrinking kit from Screen Novelties. I got this kit last year from backing the Kickstarter campaign. I finally have a chance to work on it this year. Here is what is included in the kit. Instructions, hair and cord, powdered flesh, the silicone mold, glue and bone, paint and a paintbrush, a measuring cup, wooden sticks, a cauldron and some sequins, and hooks. You stir in the powdered flesh, which is perfect cast plaster. Then you mix it with some water and mix well with the mixing stick until no dry powder is visible. And don't forget to use a breathing mask to protect yourself from the particles. Pour the flesh mixture into the mold. Then, after 2 hours, you carefully demold the head. Paint the head however you like. I made mine cartoony, and so I painted it green. I also added the sparkly purple eyes to finish the look. I had trouble gluing on the regular hair with the regular glue that came in the kit, so I used a hot glue gun to really make it stick. Tie up the hair with the cord and glue on the bone, and there you have your own shrunken head from Screen Novelties. Have a happy Halloween!